Well guys, today I'm going to do the review for DeWalt. It's the model DWE6421K. Is a random sander. We just purchased from Home Depot. Alright, so let's see, it comes with the bag. Nice small bag. Manual. Here's your sander. So let's put this box away. Alright, so this is the sander. It should randomly rotate. Purchase this sanding bags with it. 5-inch. This is just additional to my DeWalt tool. It's supposed to be second best, first being Milwaukee. So if you guys looking into it and not wanting to spend too much money, I would suggest look into DeWalt. This is a good brand, and usually the tools last longer. This bag comes out easily, just easy snap. The sandpaper you can just attach, so easy. And once there's only one speed, but it rotates in different angles, so it doesn't leave a mark on the wood. So look into it. So far I've read all the reviews. They look pretty decent. That's why I decided to go with it, and it's one of the brand I use for my daily task. Right, that being said, look into more videos. I'll be posting videos for every one of these. This is a escalating tool, DeWalt. You have a driver, and this is a impact wrench, not wrench, driver. So I'll be posting videos individually for each of these.